In other news, Moses Dola, the journalist who was convicted of manslaughter following the death of his wife, former NTV reporter Wambui Kabiru, has been sentenced to 10 years in prison. Last month, Judge Rosalind Korir found Dola guilty of manslaughter and cancelled his bond terms. KTN Cecilia Okesha-Madhuva reports on a case that began way back in 2011.
A murder case that dates back to nearly 7 years has finally come to an end. And journalist Moses Dola, who was found guilty of manslaughter after the death of his wife, Sarah Wambui Kabiru, on 1st May in 2011, was slapped with 10 years jail term.
I consider that the appropriate sentence in this case is a custodial sentence. The accused is therefore sentenced to serve 10 years in prison. The accused has 14 days right of appeal.
Through his lawyer Cliff Ombeta, Dola argued that pressure informed by joblessness contributed to the disagreements he had with the deceased before she died. But Judge Rosalind Korir noted that while the accused had shown some remorse over the murder, joblessness should not be a license to terminate someone's life.
The victim impact statement in the report shows that the deceased family is yet to come to terms with the loss of their daughter, in whom they had invested heavily and had great hopes in. It also reflects a family that is still bitter with the accused and his family for not attempting any reconciliation until now. They pray for justice to prevail.
The deceased was killed on the 11th of May in 2011 at their house in Nairobi's Umoja Estate. The court heard that on that fateful day, the accused allegedly left his wife's lifeless body in their house and went into a drinking spree. The deceased brother and neighbors later found her dead body locked in their bedroom. In his defense, Dola, who allegedly went into hiding for some days before surrendering to police in Naivasha, argued that the deceased attacked him with a pair of scissors, leading to a fight during which his wife fell and hit her head. The ex-Nation Media Group journalist was arrested on 16th of May 2011 and taken to prison, where he spent 627 days before his trial began. In 2012, he deposited 1 million shillings and secured a temporary freedom before the bail was cancelled on the 5th of October this year when he was found guilty. Cecilia Okesha-Madhuva, KTN News.